morning, sir. Our topic is about extreme programming methodology. Extreme programming prioritizes strong customer involvement and works well in volatile environments. As an agile methodology, it provides flexibility in modeling processes and focuses on reducing software development costs, especially the high expense of late-stage requirement changes. Meaning po is, ito daw po yung nagbibigay halaga na madalas na pakikipag-ugnayan sa mga customer at mabilis na paggawa ng mga updates at kaya po nilang makisabay or umangkop sa pagbabago ng mga requirements. For example po is yung mobile phone po, nakakapagbigay ng bagong update po yung isang team base sa mga feedback ng users po. Other example po is yung game development. Nagamit po yung XP para mabilis na ayusin or baguhin yung features ng mga laro ayon sa mga feedback ng tester. Tapos, ito po sir yung example po ng extreme programming methodology. Project requirement, stories, test cases, task completion. Ito po yung pros and cons ng extreme programming. Pros. It lays focus on customer involvement, meaning daw po is XP prioritize continuous customer feedback throughout the development process. This ensures the software aligns with the customer's needs and expectations, reducing the risk of building something unwanted. 2. Establishes rational plans and schedules, meaning while XP embraces change, it still uses iterative planning to break down the project into smaller, manageable iterations. This allows for flexibility while maintaining a structured approach to time management. 3. Developers are exceptionally committed to the project, meaning XP fosters a highly collaborative team environment where developers feel a strong sense of ownership and responsibility. This often leads to higher quality code and greater efficiency. 4. Equipped, equipped with modernistic methods for quality software, meaning XP utilizes modern software development, best practices like test-driven development, and continuous integration, leading to more robust and maintainable software. Doon naman po tayo sa cons. 1. Effectiveness depends on the people involved, meaning the success of XP heavily relies on the skills, experience, and commitment of the development team. A poorly performing or unmotivated team can significantly hinder the project. 2. Requires frequent meeting for development, raising total costs. XP emphasizes frequent communication and meeting, which can be time-consuming and potentially increase project costs. Effective time management of these meetings is crucial. 3. Necessitates for excessive development changes. While adaptability is a strength, frequent change can also lead to increased costs and potential project delays if not managed carefully. A well-defined process for handling changes is vital. 4. Exact possibilities and future outcomes are really unknown. The iterative nature of XP can make it challenging to precisely predict the final outcome and timeline, especially for larger projects. While flexibility is beneficial, this uncertainty can be a concern for some stakeholders. Extreme programming, the end user system development. Any systems development project in which business managers and users assume the primary effort. Managers and other users can get the systems they want without having to wait for IS professionals to develop and deliver them. Meaning daw po is, ang end user system development is kapag ang mga users, like managers or employees, ang gumagawa or nagsiset up ng sarili nilang system without waiting for IS professionals. In short daw po, hindi na kailangan hintayin sa IS para gumawa ng software or tool. Pwede na silang gumawa gamit ang mga available tools like Excel, Google Forms, Power Apps, etc. Sa extreme programming, focus naman po sa fast ng development, continuous feedback, at collaboration para mabilis matapos ang project. Yung isang admin staff daw po ay gumagawa ng Google Form para sa daily attendance tracking ng team nila. Hindi na siya nag-request sa IS. Yun po. Yun lang po report namin, sir. Thank you po.